Hey, what you're about to witness is me witnessing and listening to Harry's House for the first time at midnight in Sydney, Australia in my car. It's a roller coaster. So if that sounds like a video that you'd want to watch, just sit tight, grab a snack and come on the journey with me. It's a good one. Oh my gosh.
Oh, 2 minutes. I'm so nervous. Let me get set up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've got water ready. I've got Harry. It's really cold in here, by the way. It's like the depths of winter here in Australia. I think that this is just going to be such a wonderful album. I'm thinking boppiest song on the album. I don't even know. I think Grapefruit's gonna be a bop. I hear the album is very sexual, which of course I'm never going to object to. Oh my gosh. You can't see, but it's midnight. Let's see if the album's on Spotify. Wait, the album's not on there yet. Okay, might take a minute. It just might take a minute to get on there. Oh my gosh, it's not on there. Harry, what are you doing? Oh my god, it's here. Holy tits, it's here. Wait, okay. Ah. Alright, here we go. Guys, music for a sushi restaurant. Harry's House. Oh my god! Just a little Okay, music for a sushi restaurant. Bop. Bop, 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 bop. I will work out to that song. I will walk down the aisle to that song. I will give birth to my first child in that song. I will be buried to that song. That song. That little like breakdown in the middle. Okay. Oh, okay. Next is Late Night Talking. I thought this was so good at Coachella, but I'm keen to hear studio verge. Okay, here we go. So the brass isn't in it. The brass isn't in it. Things haven't been quite the same. Oh my gosh. If you're feeling down, I just wanna make you happier, baby. We've been doing all this late night talking. Now you're in my life. Get you off my mind. Late night talking. Even try talking. Beautiful. We heard that one at Coachie. Water break because we're about to go into grape juice. We'll be fine line. We'll be fine line. Oh my god, the fine line era is officially over. I'm not emotionally stable for that. We're doing grape juice, which I claimed song 3. If you know anything about what that means, I claimed song 3. I claimed it and I said it was gonna be a bop, like a "Can you play grape juice?" in the club kind of song. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Love that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That is so sweet. Wasn't the bop I thought it was, but I'm stoked that it was what it was. Which leads me on to our next song, As It Was. Play the banger.
Come on, Harry.
We want to say goodnight to you.
Feels like you won't ring the bell. Nobody's coming to help. You know it's not the same as it was. As it
What a song! We're almost halfway. We're at daylight. Predictions. Cute, very like Sweet Creature vibes, I think. Acoustic. Okay, let's go. Maybe not. I'm intrigued. This is such like a windows down, hair flying on the highway, like full speed ahead. It's giving end credits. It's giving end credits. I love it. I just got chills. Okay, so not the acoustic vibe I was thinking, but that was beautiful. Right, next song, Little Freak. People were speculating whether Little Freak is just a renamed Complicated Freak. I doubt it. If he hasn't put Medicine on this album, I'm pissed. If he hasn't put Medicine on this album but he's renamed Complicated Freak and put it on the album, I'll be mad. This is gonna be like maybe like a She, an Only Angel kind of vibe, just that kind of like raunchy. Anyway, let's see. All right, let's go. Little Freak, Harry's House, midway through the album. Okay, here we go. I'm nervous. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, play.
Little freak Jezebel, you see wet dream just dangling, but your gift is wasted on me. I was thinking about you, just thinking about you.
I love this!
I spilled beer on your friend, I'm not sorry. A golf swing and a trampoline. You are a delicate point of view. I was thinking you jumped in feet first and you never saw my birthmark. I was thinking about who you are.
That was ethereal. That was, I felt that. I did. All the goosebumps everywhere. I'm just, oh mate. Oh. I think we need to take an intermission because, oh my gosh. Okay, I loved that. And I think as it's sinking in, I'm loving it even more. That was just next. Okay, I'll revisit that one. Matilda. 4 minutes. One of the longer ones. I'm not sure what to think because so far this album has taught me it's very, very unpredictable. 1, 2, 3, play. I love this one already. I'm obsessed already. I'm into it already.
Trying to lift off the ground on the treat it ever seemed especially alarming till now.
Oh no!
You can let it go. Alright. start a family who will always show you love. You can let it go. You can throw a pillow. You can start.
I'm laughing and crying. Oh, my heart is breaking. Oh, pull it together. Okay. Okay. Are we good? Are you guys okay? I'm doing alright. I'm not. It's fine. Cinema. I hear this one is like the sexy one. But again, this album just is like throwing me.
You got the cinema.
Okay. Ow! What a change of tune from the last song, am I right?
I just think you're cool.
Vibe. Oh, is he too into it? I wonder what that means.
You pop when we get intimate. You got the cinema. You pop when we get intimate. I bring pop to the cinema. You pop when we get intimate. You pop to the cinema.
That scream in the background.
Get intimate.
Don't tell me about popping, mate. Do not say that to me, because I cannot handle it. Mr. Styles. I appreciated the screams in the back of that one. That was a terrible example. Oh, okay. Where are we at? We're at Daydreaming. We have 1, 2, 3, 5 songs left. So far, apart from Matilda, it's been a pretty cruisy album. Boppy, each song's been a bit, you know, like, ooh, I could get this. And Matilda just like comes in the middle and is like, oh, you're having a good time? Not anymore. And then afterwards, you just get Cinema that's like, oh, okay, all right, we're fine now. Cinema. And now we have Daydreaming. I don't know what to expect. Really, I'm overwhelmed. That's keyword, operative word here. Overwhelmed. Daydreaming. 1, 2, 3, play. That was the best part of the song, right there. Okay, that was fun. That was like a, that's like a good, like, I'll nod along to this. This is cool. I like this vibe. Okay, this one is Keep Driving. Let's go. Keep driving. Let's do it. Cute! Let's rewind.
Just keep driving.
Oh, whoa. What a roller coaster that bridge was.
Keep driving.
I liked that. That was cool. That bridge. Choke her with a sea view. Excuse me? Who was it? That was great. It's almost 1 a.m. y'all. And this album is just like becoming ingrained in my mind. Anyway, let's keep going. We're almost there. We have Satellite, Boyfriends, and Love of My Life left. So let's play Satellite. Woo! Okay, let's do it.
Do you wanna talk? Satellite.
I love this. cool one. That was a cool song. Next up we have Boyfriends. Give me those harmonies. Boyfriends. You ready? Let's do it. Boyfriends. Oh.
It's you, what he's thinking.
I love this song. I love this song. I love this song. I love that song. I think that is a beautiful song. Love of my life, guys. We're at the final song. What a journey this has been. It's 1 AM. Who's the writers on this? Okay. Can you tell I'm stalling? I don't want it to be over. This man. Oh, are we ready? Woo! Love of my life.
We don't really like in a hotel using someone else's name. I remember the same anymore. You were the love of my life. It's not what I wanted.
You were the love of my life.
Just coordinates.
Who?
Creases in your ends, are they the same? You were the love of my life. Baby, I don't know what's lost till you wanted to leave you behind, you fly.
Oh my god, stop! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. I am so in love. I am so in love with that album. I'm so in love with that album. I'm so in love with that album. I'm so in love with Harry Styles. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. I don't even know how to like articulate my words right now. Oh my, that was just so beautiful. This album I think is the best structured album he's had. Beginning to end, you really have to listen to it that way. There is no shuffle with this album. Bam, 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 bam. Straight down to the bottom. Beginning, vibe. And oh my gosh. Oh, guys, thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. This has been incredible. Thank you, Harry, for just absolutely once again ripping my heart out and ruining me in all the ways. I'm so excited for this new era. I gotta get a tattoo sorted. I reckon a house, a little house. Love you all, love you all. Bye. Enjoy the album. Let's have a party. Oh, guys, okay, I need to go. Okay, all right. Love you, bye.